Knocked it down. Sixth tie of the game. Three on its way.
Presence inside. Takes your one away and comes back with the lefty off the glass.
Davis here. Spin move in the lane. Goes up and scores.
Chris Walker will be getting a foul. He was a rookie of his
player. A timely three-point basket there.
Mitchell's really done a lot of his damage on the board.
And loses it, recovered by Solomon, looking to run. Grantham finishes. Gaddy, who had 6 turnovers in the first half, finds Grantham for a 3, and he rattles it home.
Battle for every rebound in this game. Coming away is Hobson, his 4th rebound of the game. Lob backside, both known for their marksmanship from outside. Offered baseline. Oh, Grantham cutting down the middle of the lane. Rip pass from Bryce Alford.
Their best defensive lineup out there right now.
And Grantham with it. He's a long player. He finds Solomon, who puts it home. Donte Grantham with another assist.
His IQ is everything the scouts say that it is. And his
5 assists and 16 points. Full head of steam. Deontay Burton goes all the way and kind of going to his right. Lays it in with his